Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process behind attempting to solve it, and hopefully it proves useful for someone else who's going through these questions as well. So, the question I'm going to be doing is 1470. Shuffle the array. So, given the array nums consisting of 2n elements in form x1, x2, blah blah blah, all the way up to y1, y2, up to y of n, return the array in the form y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So, we've got 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 7, and n is equal to 3. So that means there's 6 elements. So we're going to start from here and here, because this is the 0th element, and this is, I guess you could say it's yeah, you would start from here and here, because this is like the beginning, and then this is halfway through. So you would go 2, then 3, then 5, and then 4, and then 1, and then 7, and this is your output. Constraints, so their n is between 1 and 500, meaning that the longest this could be is 1000. Yeah, nums.length is equal to 2n, so 1000. And each number is between 1 and 10 to the power of 3. So I'm just gonna switch over to my notes. Over here. Okay, so ideas. I think what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna copy and paste one of the examples here. First thing we're gonna do is have two pointers. One pointer at 0th element, one pointer at the nth element, the nth element. So let's say it was 3. You would start at 0, 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then pointer, we'll say x, one pointer y. So we're gonna take element at pointer x, insert into output array. Take element at pointer y, and we're gonna insert into output array. Increment both pointers by 1, pointers position by 1, loop until pointer y position is equal to 2n minus 1. Yeah, let's think. There's 6 elements, so you have to loop until this is equal to 5. So I'm just going to take all of this, pop it into LeetCode, and comment it out. So we're going to have 2 pointers. We're going to have pointer x, that's going to be equal to 0. Pointer y is equal to n. Then we're going to do while y is not equal to 2n minus 1. We're going to take element at pointer, so we're going to have an output array as well. Then we're going to do take element at pointer y and insert at pointer x. So output dot append Nums x. Gonna do the same for y. And then we're gonna do x plus equals 1. We'll do y plus equals 1. And then we're gonna return output. Okay, so it says invalid decimal literal. I think that's because I actually have to put a times here and put brackets around it. You can't just say 2n, you have to specify your times in it. Hopefully. So, I got 2354. Which is close. It should look one more, so maybe take away this -1. Okay, so that passed. Submit. And accepted. Thank you very much for watching that video. If you watched the whole thing, hope it was useful to you in some way. If you're going through these problems as well, just seeing someone else's thought process behind solving these LeetCode problems. If you have any other solution that was maybe a bit more efficient, I love discussing these problems, so just leave a comment down below, like discussing these things. And yeah, hope you have a great day.